Watson ready now to face M.Ismail. And whips it away. We'll get a couple. Big boundary and big wide open spaces on the leg side. So just two more. So three from two. And wicket, but quite straight. Square leg is on the fence as well. So's long on the onside. Leg byes. As he runs or leg byes? Got a little bit of bat, says the ump. There's the first boundary in the super over.
Yeah, quick feet. Little flick off the bat and boundary for Warner. This was just outside the off stump. In any case, he just read it quite nicely, Warner.
This Australia to take it to a decider. Down the leg side, there's the first wide of the night. And it's been bowled in the super over by M.Ismail. What a time to whip in an extra. Can he make this count, Warner? No, he's hit it straight up in the air. Here's long off. Gone. M.Ismail, after a little bit of bite play earlier in the over, gets his man. And you're going to have George Bailey come out for just one delivery of this. It's been a pretty good over from M.Ismail. Just got the wicket of Warner. 9 runs from it. In the gap. Is it 4? No, it's only going to be a couple. So 11 score for the loss of 1 wicket in Australia's super over.
Oh, the superb over, apart from maybe one odd delivery, he was spot on. A slower, short delivery. Warner couldn't really control the shot and quite comfortable there for M.Ismail. Australian team, I'm seeing Cummins getting ready. So Pakistan need 12 runs to win this contest of 6 deliveries. So the super over is to come.
Here we go. First ball of the Pakistan super over. Slow one. Beautifully bowled. Change of pace. The run out. It is all happening. Abdul Razak, he wanted the strike, wanted to run through for a bye. They're feeling it's still there in the stadium of the fans.
He's got to be a little careful here, M.Ismail. He's looking to bash the first delivery. He was nowhere near the bat. They got to make shots on ball.
Straight down the ground. Cracking stroke for 4. That relieves a lot of pressure for Pakistan. Lovely clean strike from M.Ismail.
He was looking for another big shot. Wrong length, wrong line for M.Ismail, and he made a full use of it, didn't he? Look at that, right from the middle of the bat. There's no fielder there behind the umpire. Shows the right place to hit.
The circle, they are. So he's gone with that shorter one. And the run out is on. Can he get it? No, he can't. Akmal's furious with himself that he missed out and scooping the delivery over the... And they've scored 5.
Well, that's a serious inexperience from Cummins. That was not the length you want to bowl.
Rather than trying to back yourself to bowl a York, because as soon as you bring those 2 men up, you're risking too much to go full. And he's gone short and he's got pain. And it's another boundary and they're running away with the super over. 3 to win off just a couple left.
It's nicely struck by Abdul Razak. They didn't bat in the last couple of games, but was up against it. Short, wide, and dispatched it for 4. They can feel it. 2 deliveries.
Up in the air. Safe on the half volley. It's a single. We have come down to the last ball. A single will be another tie. Incredible. Tie the super over on the half volley. Couldn't get there Dave Hussey. Now, the previous 5 tied games, 3 were decided by the old-fashioned bowl-out. 2 by can Cummins do it? Oh, he's bowled a wide. The young fellas had a shocker. You get that. Pressure's told. So it's all tied. They just need a single here to win it. So Cummins needs to knock the stumps over.
This is the first time that he has come in this part of the world. That was vivid. That was all over the place. The piece was up. We thought that they won it.
Here we go. And run it resolve. It doesn't matter. Akmal will keep running through. They've won it. They've won the series. Have the men in green. Disconsolate are the Aussies. On the other side of the coin, they're out of this and loving it. Came down to a super over, and Pakistan have held their nerve.
Well, that's a great achievement by the Pakistanis. This is the first time Pakistan have beaten Australia in the 2020 series. Last time these two teams met, there was in the World
Akmal gets a fuller one, tries to drive it through cover off the toe of the blade, and look at him go, scampering through. The run out was on, it missed, and Akmal knew it, and he just kept going, taking on Usain Bolt and Johan Blake, charging through to the winner's take, loving it. Very pumped and over the moon, taking this out just after midnight local time here in the UAE. Fabulous scenes, everyone out of their seats, loving it here in the Dubai Sport. Fabulous stadium. Has seen a great T20 international, the second of 3.